Good night, Professor and classmate. My name is Viviana Garcia. Today I want to develop the activity and explain you a topic that is very important to help us to improve our pronunciation. So, welcome to my class. Let's begin with a topic that I said you before. The phonetics. I want to explain you about voiceless and voice sound that is very important to identify when you are talking about in past tense. In the past of regular verbs or participle is the words that are very difficult to pronounce when you are talking about in past tense. So I want to explain you about the voiceless sounds. In voiceless sounds you have to identify the words, the ending words, to make a voiceless sound, to make a voice sound. So, it is in this case when you see the words that ending in the P, K, F, T, H, S, S, H, C, H, T, E, T is pronounced like a T. I want to give you some examples. The first one, stop, stop, stop. He stopped the car. Locked, locked. She locked the dog in his neck. Blessed, blessed. Nature has blessed her with good looks. After voiceless sounds, the vocal short don't vibrate. Now, let's continue with the past tense of regular verbs or past participle. In this part is the voice sounds that you have to identify these ending words to make a ed like is pronounced like a d. Let me show you some examples. I was bored to tears by talking like that. I was bored. The song's ending sound is like a D. I was bored. 2 tears by documentary. She lived out her last years in the same town. You have brought me of everything. Review the words again. Bored, bored, lived, wrote, wrote. It's very important to identify in some situation. It's difficult to hear it. Let's continue with other examples, and in this case the ed is pronounced like ed, but in this case also the pronounce is a voice sound. Let me show you some examples. They take the pain medication is a needed. The ending sound is like it. They take the pain medication as a needed. The president headed the investigation. The president headed the investigation. So it's very important to take clear this topic that it could be and help us to pronounce that is word that it could be in some moment is difficult to pronounce it and hear it and identify what the people is talking about, and you identify the sounds. These rules applies to the verbs ending in ed, regular past tense, morpheme. If an adjective ends in ed, the third rule is applied regardless the ending of the verb. That is for my class today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.